My name is Francia, and I am the owner of Psalm 91 Candle Co. Welcome to my channel, where we will be making beard oil and a beard pomade. So here you see me pouring in almond oil. Then now I'm adding in avocado oil. Now I'm adding in castor oil. Here, a little bit of vitamin E, a little bit of optiphen, and some jojoba oil, some essential oil for smell, and my almond oil. All of these are very nourishing to hair. So I just do 3 pumps. Here, I got a little carried away with the bubble wrap. Anybody else like bubble wrap? So I got these little containers off of Temu, and I'm just putting them together here and getting them ready for the beard oil. So once you're done adding all of your oils into the container, just mix it for about 2 minutes. Then you can pour it into the containers. Here I'm adding the oil with a little metal funnel. And it's pretty easy. You just pour it in, then add the tops. And just filling the rest of the little droppers of this beard oil, and you can actually use it as a hair elixir as well. It's very nourishing to the hair, but I call it beard oil. And this one actually smells really good. It smells like mint with rosemary. So I'm taking the rest of the oil and I'm going to make the pomade. So I've added shea butter. Here I'm adding coconut oil, and I think I'm also going to add mango butter. Yep, so here I am adding the mango butter, all of which are also very nourishing for the hair, prevents breakage, and also helps promote hair growth. So I wanted to give the men 2 options, beard oil, and this is going to be a beard pomade or beard balm. And so once I'm done adding the mango butter, I will now take this container and put it in a double boiler to melt everything together. So the same oils that we use for the beard oil, plus the shea butter, coconut oil, and mango butter. So here I'm taking these containers, which I also bought off of Temu, and I'm just getting them ready for the beard pomade. So here I'm just spraying with rubbing alcohol. I do that with all of the containers. Any container I use, I spray with rubbing alcohol. And now I'm just gonna pour in the melted solution that we have here. And I just pour it in slowly because I'm trying to avoid any kind of bubbles. So I do that until they're full, and then I will let them cool. Once they're cool, I will place the lid on them, and then add the labels. Here I'm just making sure I get every last bit into the containers. And here's a look at the finished product. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you try this. I'll have the recipe down below. God bless you, and I love you with God's love.